Okay, so now we are going to talk about the line cut tool. Let's select one cube like over here. Now as you guys can see, we will get this kind of cube, and let's go to the display option and we will enable our lines form. Shortcut key is N and G, so simply click on it. With the help of that, we can only see the lines, I mean the edges. And now as you guys can see, this is in the parametric format. That's why we are getting the object properties like size, fillet and segments. Now in segments, as you guys can see, with the help of that we can increase the segments of this object, but this happens only when this thing is in the parametric format. But sometimes during the modeling we want our model in the editable form, so that time we are not gonna get this options. So that times tools like line cut tool are come in the form. So let's make this again ground shading, and I'll press ND on my keyboard so I can see the lines easily. And now I'm going to make this object editable. Press C on your keyboard. As you guys can see, the segments we cannot create now, and during this time if you want to create segments, that when we are going to choose line cut tool. To select the line cut tool, first of all we need to select any face. So let's select this cube and we will choose our polygons, and I'll select this face. Now after selecting this face, you can simply right click on it, so you will get this many options, and that's where you will get this option known as line cut tool. As you guys can see, the shortcut key is KK and simply MK. So if you want to select this tool, simply select any face and press KK 2 times, so you can see our icon is here, line cut tool. Now how to use that, it's very simple. Either you can go to the any like front view, because we have selected this, and simply create one point over here and one point over here, and simply press escape button. So as you guys can see, this thing have created this kind of segment like this. Okay, right now this segment is in from each and every direction, because if you see over here, the visible only area is unchecked. If I hit Ctrl Z and if I select only visible area, which means it will create cut only on the selected portion, and if it's visible, then it will create one mark on it. For example, if I create one point over here, and by holding shift, if I create one point over here, and if I hit escape, as you guys can see, it will create a segment only on the visible area but not over here. So that's the basic use of line cut. With the help of that, you can create this kind of lines cuts with the help of line cut tool.